DJ NTV.
The talk and reach like that say the PDP talk say though they get candidates but if the governor come say he want make them give am the opportunity make him go contest for the main election wey go happen for September 2020 say him go like am and so the PDP don see the warm up to receive am. For me, my own part for inside be say if APC no gree give am PDP give am make e accept PDP own now. After all, the man dey try for work when he dey do for the state. If you check road, the man dey try. Even light matter, we hear say e don do some 5 megawatt power generating plant when be say go dey help for light matter. Then if you talk about school, the man don still modernize some schools so tey we come dey get upstairs for primary school. E no dey before. Even playground for primary school, if you waka around, you go see am. So if PDP give am the opportunity, make the man grab am with both hands. Sake of say if they no comot from UAC, they want to know say work dey John Oath. Make e try am and they go see if it help am too. Country people, the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, when we know as APC for Nigeria, when his name be Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole, come say belle jollificate am o, so tey he come dey dance for the one video when e dey circulate for social media. Come dey dance say he happy, say finally they don disqualify governor of Edo State when his name be Governor Godwin Nwogerase Obaseki. He say he happy well, sake of say the governor be dey try to tell am say who be him, so he don finally show am say yes, na him be the national chairman. But make we think about am. E good say for instance something bad happen to person, another person go happy put that kind thing suppose. For me, now you bring the man for the very first time for 2016. You talk am say the man na correct man, and truly as Edo people come vote for the man come be governor. Edo people see am say the man really better for mind, so say they come dey call am wait and see governor. Now because of one igidi pigidi, when it come happen, the 445 come be. Then now you come dey happy say the man no get qualification to contest under APC. Make we dey think well before we dey do anything o. Country people, na here our tori end this week. Abeg, if this one na the first time when it be say you take dey see our news videos like this, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJ MTV. Then make you come sama your hand on top of the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge news like this and our main news and even our entertainment news version. Until next time when we go give una ogbonge news story like this, my name na una country brother Stanley Okocha. Una bye bye.
DJ NTV.